The Museum of Decorative Arts in Frankfurt, Germany was designed by architect Richard Mayer, who started in 1981 and finished in 1985. It houses the history of European decorative arts and was built by the Main River and a nearby villa. The building was built to be a combination of new museums and old museums, as well as a combination of the nature surrounding the museum and the man-built building that resides on the landscaping. It provides a transition from the old to new, from the commissioned work area to the office spaces, and from the public park areas surrounding the building to interior public areas of the museum. The transitions mentioned are framed by different types of door frames, not only in the main transition from outside to inside, but from the exhibit to exhibit within the museum. The plan of the building is skewed off of the original grid of the landscape plan because it was built on the basis of two different intersecting grids, one that came from the Villa Metzler and another taken from the Main River. The two grids were overlaid on top of each other, and then it was further rotated to fit the villa's grid alignment, more so by rotating the grid by 3.5 degrees. However, the position of the building on two intersecting grids was not the only thing that the museum incorporated from the villa. The exterior of the building also had a grid-like structure that was taken from the villa as well. The gridded structure was shown with the use of gridded windows on the exterior. The gridded patterns on the exterior of the building, derived from the gridded patterns of the villa, are also imposed onto the outside landscaping that surrounds the building as a public park. Not only is the outside of the building built according to a grid structure, but the inside of the building conforms to it as well, with the uses of orthogonal doorways, windows, and ramps that are used to move visitors through the building in a particular sequence. The Museum of Decorative Arts in Frankfurt, Germany, is a building of transition that has incorporated history's old and new aspects into it. The gridded patterns of the building help to incorporate it into the overall surrounding area of the villa's grid as well as the grid of the Main River.